going to make some pizza. I hope you're all keeping well at home and keeping safe. And this is something to do with you and your little ones. A bit of fun. So we are going to be using wraps, some tomato puree, some cheese, and some toppings, pepperoni and ham, which is Olivia's favourite. She's my little helper today, aren't you? Right, first of all, what do?
We spread it on here.
Yeah, we squeeze it. Spread it everywhere. Good girl. Well done. Right, time to get our spoon. That's plenty. Good girl. We spread it all out.
You say some things that I'm spreading this on.
Fun and easy to do with the children. And the pizza cooks for 10 to 12 minutes. Remember to preheat your oven at 180 degrees. Could we just do it, please? Good girl. Spread it all around. Spread it all around. Over this bit. Over here. Over here too. There, just spread it out. Good girl. Now time for our cheese. Right, here you go. I sprinkled some on. And then Olivia sprinkled some on. Well done. Well done. Topping time. Pepperoni.
Okay, that goes first. That goes first.
Yes. Spread it all out. All out. Take it you like the tomato base, do you? You're licking the spoon. And now time for ham. Well done. Good job. This pizza looks delicious.
Two more bits.
Well done. And there you go, guys. A pepperoni and ham pizza done by Miss Olivia herself. You not wait to eat it? Thank you for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Good girl. On to the skipping. Oh, yeah, that's okay. Run round your chair. And again. Oh, and then over to your balls over here. And hit one. And hit the other one. And then over to your rings. You want to do the four of them? One. And then where do you end up? You want to try it one more time? Go.
I'm going to set it up. I'm going to do it the way Daddy do it.
Oh, there, now just knock the other two over. Well done. Now on to your skipping.
No, wait. That's okay.
Yeah, that's okay. Well done.
Can I pick whatever one?
Yep.
Can I pick both of them?
Yeah.
Well done.
Rings.
Rings, last one. Yay!
We're going on a bear hunt. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. We're gonna catch a big one. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. We're not scared. We're not scared. Up, grass. Up, grass. Long wavy grass. Long wavy grass. We can't go under it. We can't go under it. We can't go over it. We can't go over it. We gotta go through it. Ready? Swishy, swishy, swish. Swishy, swishy, swish. Swishy, swishy, swish. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. We're gonna catch a big one. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. We're not scared. Oh, a river. Oh, a river. A deep, cold river. A deep, cold river. We can't go over it. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can't go under it. We gotta go through it. We gotta go through it. Splish, splash, splosh. Splish, splash, splosh. Splish, splash, splosh. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going on a bear hunt. Gonna catch a big one. We're gonna catch a big one. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. We're not scared. We're not scared. Mud. Mud. Thick, oozy mud. Thick, oozy mud. We can't go over it. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can't go under it. We gotta go through it. We gotta go through it. Squelch, squelch, squelch. Squelch, squelch, squelch. Squelch, squelch, squelch. Squelch, squelch, squelch. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. We're gonna catch a big one. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. We're not scared. We're not scared. Oh, a forest. Oh, a forest. A big dark forest. A big dark forest. We can't go over it. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can't go under it. We gotta go through it. We gotta go through it. Ready? Stumble, stumble, trip. Stumble, stumble, trip. Stumble, stumble, trip. Stumble, stumble, trip. Woo! We're going on a bear hunt. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. We're gonna catch a big one. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. We're not scared. We're not scared. A cave. A cave. A narrow, gloomy cave. A narrow, gloomy cave. We can't go over it. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can't go under it. We gotta go through it. We gotta go through it. Tip, tip, toe. Tip, tip, toe. Tip, tip, toe. Tip, tip, toe. One shiny wet nose. One shiny wet nose. Two big furry ears. Two big furry ears. Two big googly eyes. Two big googly eyes. It's a bear! Back through the cave! Back through the cave! Back through the forest! Back through the forest! Run through
our teddy bear tea party, we are going to show you how to make some lovely teddy bear masks. We can make some full face masks like this one, or some little half masks that just cover the eyes. So to make our bear masks, we're going to need a little paper plate, and then when we're coming to decorate it, you can choose if you want to use crayon, pencil, marker, paint, any materials and stick and glue. The choice is yours, whatever you and the child feel is best. So we're going to use a paper plate for the full mask, or you can cut it in two and use the little half a plate to do the little eye mask. Little masks, we're then going to take a little lollipop stick and sellotape them to the back, just so that we have a little holder. First we're just going to draw and mark out where our eyes are going to be, and then we're just going to cut them out. Now we have our little eye holes. It is time to decorate. So after we colour in our first little mask here, this was just, I've done this with marker. I need to give my bear some little ears, so I've cut off a little bit of card and we're just going to draw and cut out some ears. And once we've coloured in our ears, it's just time to take a little bit of sellotape and attach them to the mask. And here we have our first little mask, our nice simple little full face mask with its little ears ready to go. For the little half mask, we are going to paint it. So I just have some little brown paint here. If you have brown paint, brilliant. I didn't, so if you're like me and you don't, but you maybe have other bits of paint in the house, just mix a little bit of red and green paint and that'll get you your brown. If you look close, you can kind of see the mixture there on the outskirts of the paint that I've mixed. And again, if you don't have those colours, if you have blue and yellow, that'll make your green orange instead of the red. Just keep mixing it. Most colours, once you mix together, you will get a version of a brown. And then it's ready to start painting, and I have just attached my ears and my little lollipop stick before I do it so that it can dry. I would just given it a little coat of paint. I'm just going to leave it to the side to dry. And when we're all dry, you can do another coat. You can stick to it and you can do any little details in the eyes that you like. But there is our little half eye mask all ready to go.
Hello everyone, my name's Laura and I work for Colin Clan Mor and I'm a member of the early years team. Hello! So today we're going to do all about teddy bears. Do you have a teddy bear? Have you got a favourite teddy bear? What do you call it? Well, this is my teddy bear. His name's Dave. Say hello, Dave. Hello! So today we're going to do some action songs all about bears, and we're going to do a little game that is so easy that you and your parents, your grown-ups can all make it together, and you could maybe play it tomorrow whenever you're having your teddy bear's picnic. Brilliant! Okay, well, we'll get started. Are you ready? This one's a big action song, so we need stomping feet like a bear and big claws, and we have to let on we're bears, and we're going to go across a big mountain and we're going to see what's on the other side. Are you ready? Let's go, everybody. Stand up. Ready, steady, go.
The bear went
over the mountain, the bear went over the mountain, the bear went over the mountain to see what he could see, to see what he could see, to see what he could see. Brilliant, boys and girls. Now the second time we're going to do it, we're going to go see what he could see for one time, and then we're going to say see what he could see on our knees. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. The bear went over the mountain, the bear went over the mountain, the bear went over the mountain to see what he could see, to see what he could see, to see what he could see. I know to see what he could see, to see what he could see.
the other side of the mountain.
Super job, great work. Now, what have we got else to do today about bears? Well, didn't I say we were going to do a little game? Brilliant. So this is super easy for you and your grown-ups to make for tomorrow. So all we need is, I'll show you here. We need a piece of cardboard. And then we cut out a giant circle. Look, it's in his tummy. Yum, yum, yum. And then we're going to put that, you can just set that up like that. There we go. And then we're going to use teddy bear beanbags, but you can use anything you like. You can use small tennis balls, maybe some cuddly toys that you have that are small enough to fit through the hole. But you can make the hole as big, as round as you like, so as you can fit whatever you want into it. We're ready? Well, I have a try. Let me see, I'll get some of them, and we'll see while Laura have a try. 1, 2, 3. Oh!
Yay!
And again! Oh,
Yay!
Oh, I missed.
No.
Oh, man. Again. Oh, I missed again.
Aww. Yay!
And one last try. Yay!
Yay!
Brilliant. So that's super easy for you to make. And we also have this wee one you can make. This is another simple, easy one to make. And it's just a teddy bear. And look at his big bow tie he has on. Isn't that lovely? So it's pinned the bow tie on the teddy bear. So all you have to do is draw the teddy bear and then get a nice bit of ribbon. Or you could use your scarf and you could pin it on and get a grown-up to help you. Just put the pin through and then we can pin it on. If you put a blindfold around your eyes, you could cover your eyes up and then you have to pin it on. Brilliant! Isn't that super easy? Great job, everybody. Now, we have another rhyme for you. This one is a shorter rhyme, so we can do it on our hand first of all. We can do round and round the garden, I lost the teddy bear. 1 step, 2 step, and find him under there, tickle tickle on your chin. Brilliant. Or you can stand up and net on your teddy bears walking around your garden. You ready? Round and round the garden, I lost my teddy bear. Where'd it go? 1 step, whoa, 2 step, and a tickly under there. Here he is. I found Davy was lost. Brilliant, boys and girls. That was super brilliant. So tomorrow we're going to have a teddy bears picnic, and I hope that you can all join us, and maybe you can make one of our lovely games, and you can maybe bring your teddy bears for their picnic, and they'll enjoy it. Make sure you bring some marmalade sandwiches. I know they love marmalade sandwiches. And what else could you bring? Brilliant, great idea. Now, Friday is for the teddy bears picnic, so get your grown-ups and don't forget. So, thank you all so much for coming today. Brilliant, boys and girls, and see you Friday. Bye.
Hello there. Well, I hope you enjoyed all those activities, stories about teddy bears, songs as much as we did. We really enjoyed them, guys, didn't we? Super. Wasn't it great? I think you'll agree. Our fantastic staff deserve a big teddy bear round of applause. What do you think, guys? Let's give them a round of applause. Super job. Well, my name is Roger Winter and I work for Colin Start. We're based up in the dairy farm on the Stewartstown Road. If you're a parent or a carer of a child in their early years, you'll know what an amazing thing it is to work with children, to watch them grow, to change, to develop, to learn new things almost every day. And here at Colin Start, we believe that's amazing too. We know that the first years of a child's life are a critical period, and that's why we work with parents, carers, families and children from pre-birth right up to starting nursery at age 4. From antenatal yoga to baby massage right through to children's programs, we've got your ABCs covered to support you in giving your child the best start in life. We've got a range of programs for dads and male carers as well. So, if you live in the Colin area, including the areas of Lagmore, Poglass, Twinbrook, Mount Eagles, Glengoland or Kilwee, why not give us a call? Phone numbers behind me. Registration is really easy and all of our programs are free. So, why not join us again tomorrow for some more teddy bear crack, songs, rhymes, singing. We're going to have some more crack tomorrow, aren't we, guys? Hopefully you can join us all tomorrow on Tuesday, and we'll see you then. Goodbye.